Hi, this is Mrs. Lewicki, and I'm talking to you about the nursing process. As I said in the clinical decision-making PowerPoint, the nursing process is something that we use when to aid us in critical thinking. It's a scientific process that we apply to our nursing principles, and so we're going to talk about that. What the nursing process does is it identifies clients' health status and needs, and based on our assessment data is how we help to meet those needs. So it helps us develop a plan to meet the needs and evaluate the success of interventions. It goes in 5 phases. The first one is assessment, and that's what this PowerPoint is going to cover. The next 4 PowerPoints will cover the other topics: diagnosis, planning, implementation, and evaluation. Assessment is a systematic, continuous data collection. It's carried on through all phases of the nursing process, and it's focused on clients' response to a health problem. Assessment can be objective or subjective. Assessment can be gathered from the data available, like lab work or x-ray results, or the history and physical. The patient can tell us that, or it can be something that we observe. That's all part of our assessment. And I just got ahead of myself. So types of data include subjective from the client or family, and objective from physical exam, from lab results, vital signs, etc. The database is where all that information is kept about the patient, and it includes their past history. We do organize the data in different ways. Sometimes we look at a non-nursing model. I'm going to start at the bottom and talk about it in body systems, and that's how we see physician order or physician history and physical. They do a system assessment. Nursing models, we're looking at Gordon's functional health patterns, and we talk about a little bit more about that in the essential concepts. But that's one way. Basically, what excuse me, what Gordon's does is talks about how this illness or problem interferes with their ability to perform their activities of daily living. We may do a Roy's adaptation model that's based on Maslow's hierarchy of needs. And you probably recall from your basic psychology course, your intro to psychology course, that the things that we worry about first are the things at the bottom of the pyramid. And that's the end of this PowerPoint.